Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Sorento. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 185 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, dust-sensing headlights and external temperature display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.